Welcome to your review represented by Admission Premium. I'm Gigi and today I'm at Stanford International University. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic and that is dual degree program. And now I'm with Ajahn Karin, a lady. So, hello, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good as well, thank you. So, if we talk about the dual degree program, I would like to know how did you get that idea and how does this work?
So, Stanford International University offers a very unique opportunity to students.
Yeah.
And this opportunity is called the Dual Award Pathway.
Yes.
So, we give a choice to the students.
Yeah.
They can study the entire program here,
Yeah.
or if they want, they can choose the Dual Award Pathway.
Yeah.
So, the Dual Award Pathway is a collaboration with overseas institutions.
Yeah.
So the students can study here at Stanford.
Yes.
They complete all their requirements.
Yes.
And then after that, they can choose to complete the program at an overseas institution where Stanford has a collaboration with.
Oh,
So this is how it works.
wow, that's really cool. So I wonder how many programs does the dual degree have?
Among many programs at Stanford, we have 7 programs
Wow.
that actually have a dual award with institutions
Yes.
in Australia,
Yeah.
in the US, in Europe, and in UK.
Yeah.
So this is how it works in detail. So when a student actually wants to study or take the dual award pathway, it is very important they meet with their program advisor. So the advisor will tell them what they need to study, what they need to complete over here
Yeah.
at Stanford, and what they need to take when they go to the overseas institution.
Yeah.
So this way, a student can complete one program
Yes.
in 2 countries.
Yeah.
And this gives this gives the student a very good horizon
Yeah.
on the education system in 2 different places. So we have 7 programs.
Yeah.
The first program I would like to talk about is the International Hotel Management.
Yes.
This program has a collaboration with Blue Mountains International Hotel Management School in Australia.
Wow.
And this school in Australia has been voted the best hotel management school in the region. So our students study 2 years over here with us in Stanford. They complete all the requirement. Then they go to Australia and they do a year and a half. They complete their requirements and then the student has the opportunity to receive 2 degrees
Wow.
for one program. Then we have also the International Business Management. This collaboration is with Kendall University in Chicago, US. So the students again study 2 years here with us in Stanford.
Yes.
And they only need 1 year in Chicago to complete the entire program and get to 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Going on further is event management. Event management has also the same terms and conditions like international business management.
Yes.
So students in the event program, they do 2 years here and they do 1 year in Kendall, Chicago.
Yeah.
Another one is the International Relations Program. This is a very unique program because we have collaboration with European University.
Oh, wow.
And there are 3 areas or 3 countries that students can choose to go to. It is Spain, Germany, or Switzerland.
Wow.
So they do 2 years here with us
Yes.
and another 2 years at any of the European university locations.
Wow.
So 2 years here, 2 years over there,
Yeah.
they get a Stanford degree and they get a European degree.
That's really awesome.
The other one is the Airline Business Management Program.
Wow.
We are very proud of this program because it is the first program in Thailand
Yeah.
to get a collaboration with Vaughan Aeronautical College, which is located in the US.
Yes.
So Vaughan College of Aeronautics and Engineering
Yeah.
has been rated one of the best aeronautical college in America.
Wow.
And we had the opportunity very recently to shake hands and to sign an MOU with Vaughan so that our students can actually go and have the opportunity for the dual pathway. So our students study the entire degree here,
Yes.
3.5 years,
Yes.
and they go and do an additional year at Vaughan. So this is more or less like a top-up degree.
Yeah.
And then when they finish at Vaughan in the US, they get the second degree from the Vaughan Aeronautical College. We also have the Marketing Management Program. And this program has a collaboration with Pace University, which is in New York. And Pace University is regarded as one of the best universities for marketing.
Yeah.
Here, our students have to study 2 years at Stanford, and then they go to Pace University at New York. They complete the final year, and then they get 2 awards, one from Stanford and one from Pace University.
Wow. That's very interesting.
And the most recent one that we have is the accounting and finance. We just recently, a few days back, signed an MOU
Yes.
with the University of West of England that
Yeah.
is located in Bristol in the UK. So again, our students actually complete 3.5 years over here,
Yes.
and they do another top up, one more year, which is their final year, and then they get 2 degrees
Wow.
from the UK. So this opportunity is very unique because students actually have a chance to go and see how education is delivered in other parts of the world.
Yeah.
Not only do they get growth and development here, but
Yes.
they can go somewhere else, and also they can benefit
Yes.
from that country
Yeah.
as well.
Okay. So if we talk about benefits now, what the students will get the benefits from this program?
The benefits are really good, very positive, because first of all,
Yeah.
the employment opportunities are endless.
Yeah.
When companies and organizations see that a student has 2 degrees, 2 awards in 2 different locations, there is enormous opportunity for student to be employed,
Yes.
because organizations are actually looking for students that have exposure to different cultures,
Yes.
to different environments,
Yeah.
to different methods of education, not just in their home country, Thailand,
Yeah.
but also overseas opportunity. Another benefit is that students are able to value what
Yes.
they have learned at this university and the other institutions, because the knowledge
Yeah.
and experience and the strength they
Yes.
have gained from the professors and from the teachers and
Yes.
the program makes them understand the requirements of the industry even more better.
Wow.
Because the market over here in Thailand is
Yes.
different to the market in Europe,
Yeah,
or
that's
different to the market in US and Australia. So they get a holistic perspective of what the industry is required, what are the expectations, and how they need to perform to make their employment successful. But I would say, from an educator's point of view,
Yes.
students have the opportunity to explore another part of the world,
Okay.
to explore culture,
Yes.
to explore food, to explore people.
Yeah.
Because at Stanford, we have 117 nationalities.
Oh, wow.
That means we have students from 117 countries around the world.
Wow.
But with this pathway,
Yes.
students can actually go to the other country and experience more, because this not only gives them knowledge, but true education is helping the student to grow, to develop,
Yes.
to mature, to be adaptable
Yeah.
and flexible.
That's awesome. Okay, so lastly, I would like you to give some recommendation to the student that interested to study in this program.
What we first do is every student that comes to our university
Yes.
and who enrolls in one of these programs, we give them the options. We tell them that they have a domestic pathway where they can study completely here at Stanford,
Yeah.
and then we also tell them about the dual award program.
Yeah.
If a student is actually interested in the dual award program,
Yes.
that interest is communicated to the program advisor. And the program advisor will tell the student what needs to be completed here at Stanford and what needs to be completed there at the overseas institution. The program advisor also tells the students the expectations
Yeah.
at the overseas institutions, because the culture here in Thailand and in Europe is very different.
Yeah.
So the academic advisor not only prepares the student for academics,
Yeah.
but also tells the student what needs to be done in another environment,
Yes.
what the culture is like, what the
Yes.
people are like, what the food is like.
Yeah.
So when the student goes, for example, to Australia, it's not a culture shock.
Yeah.
The student goes and they are able to adapt to the environment, to the people. So for students who want to take this opportunity, they are encouraged to meet the advisor, because without meeting the advisor, the student won't know what to do.
Yes.
And then when the student develops more interest in this, then we actually define a pathway for the student.
Yes.
We get in touch with the overseas institution. We give the information of the student who actually wants to transfer.
Yes.
And towards the end of the second year at Stanford, the paperwork is filled up, the visa requirements are looked
Yes.
into, and then
Yeah.
the transfer is made
Yeah.
after 2 years. So whatever the student studies over here, all the credits are transferred to the overseas institution, and then when they finish over there, the credits are transferred back, and at the end of 3.5 or 4 years, they get 2 awards.
Wow, that's really cool. Okay, thanks so much for the information.
You're most welcome. And this is something that we offer to each and every student coming to Stanford International University, because our main intention
Yes.
is to prepare them for the market, to prepare them for the industry,
Yes.
and we have one goal, is to see them successful after their education.
Yes. Thank you once again. It's nice to talk to you today. If you want more information, you can check it out at worldwidewebadmissionpremium.com. And next time where I'm gonna go and which program I'm gonna review, don't forget to check it out. So, see you in next video. Bye-bye.